In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export client data for reporting in QuickBooks Accountant using the current desktop interface. If you need clean reports for analysis, audits, or client updates, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and how to get the right file out of QuickBooks Accountant quickly and accurately. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Accountant account on your desktop. Make sure you're using a supported browser and your firm credentials. And if you manage multiple firms or clients, confirm you're in the correct firm before proceeding. On the left sidebar, look under the section labeled Your Practice and click Clients. This is your central list of clients. If you have a long roster, use the search or filters to find the specific client faster. Click the client or contact name whose data you want to export. This opens access to that client's books and tools. Next, under your books, click Reports. This takes you to the full reporting center for the selected client. Here, choose the report you need to export, such as profit and loss or balance sheet. These are the most common for external sharing and financial review, but you can select any report that fits your purpose. Before exporting, customize the report to match exactly what your stakeholder needs. Set a precise date range like year to date, last month, or a custom period. Adjust filters to include or exclude specific accounts, classes, locations, or customers as required. Consider the accounting method, cash or accrual, based on how the client presents their financials. You can also tweak columns, formatting, and detail level so the output is clear and relevant. Taking a moment here avoids rework later. When the report looks right on screen, click Export at the top of the report. You'll be prompted to choose Export to Excel or Export to PDF. Pick Excel if you need to perform additional analysis, pivot, or combine data with other sources. Choose PDF if you're sharing a static presentation-ready report that shouldn't be edited. Finally, save the exported file to your computer. Select a secure, memorable location and use a clear file name that includes the client name and reporting period. For example, client name P&L Y225Q1. This helps with version control and quick retrieval. After saving, it's a good idea to open the file to confirm the formatting and totals look as expected. That's the complete process for exporting client data for reporting in QuickBooks Accountant. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.